Hi everyone, it's Heidi and it's time for our Young Living unboxing for the month. So this was our order for March 2021 and we have lots of good stuff in here, so we'll get started. Let's see what we have. First of all, we have lavender. So lavender I get all the time, just wonderful for your skin, calming, good for sleep, good for even breathing, all that kind of thing. So lavender I've talked about a lot, so we don't need to go into that one too much. And then Clary Sage. So this lavender was free this month, and Clary Sage also is free. So Clary Sage is very grounding. This is really good for supporting female mind and body. So it's very good for females. So you might want to look that up and see if that's something that you would want to use for yourself, if you're a female. Then there's Thieves Oil. So Clary Sage was also free. Then there's Thieves Oil, which I just ordered as a maintenance too. So I like to keep that on hand, and that's very good for immunity. Hopefully you guys know that already. Then Digize is another oil that I picked up this month to have on hand. It was the larger bottle was out of stock, so I ended up getting this one. I thought it was really an important oil to have in hand, so I got it. And this is good for digestion. I don't like the smell of it, but it is very good for, you can put it on your stomach if you are feeling a little different. So do that. Then let's see, the next one is Copaiba, and Copaiba was another free one. A lot of free oils this time. This is really good for skin, muscles, and breathing. So Copaiba, this was from I think South America, so different people pronounce it kind of off, but Copaiba I'm pretty sure is the actual name that you would want to call it. And again, I said skin, muscles, and breathing. Lots of people use it for muscles. Then there is sclerescence, which is not very common oil, but sclerescence is good for, actually Clary Sage. So I've said that that was good for the female mind and body and also emotions. And Clary Sage is in Dragon Time and Endoflex, and also sclerescence. And then sclerescence is very good for women's well-being, especially for emotions and stress and things like that. So there is Clary Sage in this one, and it is one of the female oils or whatever that's good for females. Not that other people can't use them. Then we have Blue Cypress, which is free this month also. This is if you kind of want a spa experience. It's really good for the skin. It is really good at firming and tightening and things like that. So put that in your moisturizer. Then there is Rutabala. So this one is free this month also, and this has 3 oils in it. It has rue oil, valerian, and lavender. Valerian does not smell good. We call it the smelly feet oil in our family, but it is very good for sleep. So Rutabala blend is good for soothing stress and nerves, promotes relaxation. It is very good to use before bed. So I'm definitely going to put this in my routine for the night, because lately it's just not working out well. So this is good for relaxing. So I'm going to be using that one, and that one's free. And then Idaho Blue Spruce. I did order this one. I did scan for it, and I love this oil. It's probably, besides maybe peppermint, it is my favorite smelling oil. It is just so grounding. It just smells so good. The whole pine scent and everything, but this is absolutely my favorite pine oil, if not my favorite oil of all. It actually comes from British Columbia in Canada. This is with a Northern Lights Black Spruce farm. I think it comes from that area. So up there you have the Aurea Borealis, which are the Northern Lights, and so those trees get doused with that stuff, and when it comes out, and so that also is helpful for the trees and gives it a little bit more energy maybe. This is good for soothing your muscles. It's also in the Peace and Calming blend and the Valor 2 blend. It is a very calming and grounding oil. I don't know if I need that or something, but I just really love it. So that one I did order just because I needed it. Then another free oil was Idaho. Oh, if I have this one on here. Yes, Idaho Grand Fir. So it used to be called Idaho Balsam Fir, but it has been changed to that. I'm not sure why, but not a big deal. It's another one of the fir oils. And this one is very good for muscles and breathing. So I know lots of people that have used this for muscles. So that one was also free this month. And then we go into the supplements. Super Cal Plus, very good to have calcium, so I take this every day, 2 with dinner. It's good to take your calcium magnesium in the evening, and so calcium is very important. Super C, so the Super C tablets are now available on your Essential Rewards order, each month. It used to be you had to order them separately for like a shop order, but they're available again on the ER orders. And this has 1,300 milligrams of vitamin C per, I think it's per capsule. I have to look at that. I don't have my glasses on right now. Very good source of vitamin C, so that one we always keep on hand. And then Super Vitamin D. This one is obviously good for immunity, and also good for bone structure and that kind of thing, and muscles. So this is actually a sublingual, which means that you put 2 of these tablets under your tongue and then you let them dissolve. And so that absorbs really well, and so they found that that's a really good way to absorb vitamin D. So I have that. Then I also ordered the Master Formula. This is a multivitamin complex, so it comes with, I should have opened it, it has packets. I think there's a morning packet and an evening packet. So my husband scanned for this, and so we ended up getting this because his body must need it. That's that one. And then I did get some Thieves Household Cleaner packets. This is a 10, and so they are just like a little packet you can just rip open. You can either put it in a bucket of water, or I would put it in a big spray bottle with water, and you can clean your house for months with that. And so I thought I would get this because I like having those little packets. Maybe I could pass it out to a new person or someone that I was talking to about Thieves Cleaners, so that they could kind of experience it. So that's more like to sample out. And then I think the last thing I got were these essential oil bottle labels, and I love these things, especially for new people. It's really nice because they can put we keep our bottles in a drawer, so you look at the top of the bottle, and so we like to be able to see what it is that we are getting. So these labels go on the top of your bottle, or if I have them in my purse, I really like to be able to see the top of the bottle. And so then if you are a new person, just get your kit, you can add those to your new bottles, and then you can also see, wow, there's all these other oils that Young Living carries. I wonder what those are. And so I got 4 of those just to have on hand for new people, or anyone maybe that would need it, or maybe I'll use it for some incentives or something. So sorry that was so long, but I had a lot to say. So the free oils this month were Rutabala, Lavender, Clary Sage, Copaiba, Grand Fir, and Blue Cypress, and that was with a 300-point order. And then we also earn 75 points towards free products that we can use in the future too. So I hope that was good information for you guys, gave you guys some things to think about. Let me know if you have any questions, if I need to clarify anything, and I hope you guys have a great day. Take care.